Welcome back. Here we are going to show you about breaking down the wood into the wood chips for the compost heat system. So I have a simple wood chipper here. This can't do anything much bigger than like 1.5, 2 inches at most. About 2 fingers is the size you're looking for what can go in there. That being said, you want green wood for this project, so anything much thicker than that you're not really going to want anyway. You want the young brush and trees that you might have brought down, smaller branches that still have chlorophyll in them. So I'm just going to feed some through this and get what we're looking for and show you the process of what I'm doing with that. Welcome back to Broodhome Farms. This is the next preparation step for the compost heating system in the greenhouse. I've got a few buckets here in front of me. One contains our solution with uric acid and urea in it. In our particular case, it happens to be some collected urine, but if you happen to have chickens, their waste is going to work just fine for this step. I also have a bucket with some wood ash, which you can get from any wood furnace, fireplace, bonfire that you've had, just some plain old wood ash, and then some hot water. I'm going to mix these three things together, and that will be the prepped solution that will help activate the compost bucket. I'm going to just mix them together.
So technically, should you be adding these things together? Aren't these going to be what create heat?
No, it's not going to be like a chemical reaction.
This is when we learn that Rihanna's dumb.
Rihanna's not dumb.
That looks so cool.
Alright, so we're just about ready to close up the barrel. We're just going to put the finishing layers in and then the acidic slurry that gets it started. I'm just going to go on with some more leaves and some more chipped up green wood. That smells lovely.
Are you lying to the viewers? It's not right, you know.
All right, so this is ready to begin its process of cooking down and getting going. We will be monitoring the heat over the next few weeks, and then when the internal temperature is where we need it to be, we'll start the water system. Stay tuned and stick with us to catch that.